Xiaomi is gearing up for the grand unveiling of its latest flagship, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra smartphone, set to hit both Chinese and global markets. Anticipation builds as the Xiaomi 14 series is slated for release on February 25th, coinciding with the Mobile World Congress, MWC, where the Ultra variant may take center stage. As the launch date is nearing, the internet is getting flooded with leaks coming one by another. A tech insider, My Smart Price, has recently shared exclusive high-resolution renders of the much-anticipated Xiaomi 14 Ultra on his X account, formerly known as Twitter. Let's delve into the details revealed by these renders. The renders, obtained by My Smart Price, provide a glimpse into Xiaomi's design direction for the 14 Ultra, showcasing elegant black and white or silver hues. Notable changes include a subtle bump integrated into the camera module, distinguishing it from its predecessor, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Enhancing aesthetics, a silver bezel surrounds the camera module, complementing the standard black and gold bezel. The placement of Leica branding and camera sensors mirrors that of its predecessor, ensuring a familiar layout. On the right side, Xiaomi opts for a conventional setup, featuring the power button and volume rockers. Noteworthy is the textured finish adorning the power button, aimed at enhancing grip and tactile feedback. Antenna markings adorn the device's sides, maintaining a sleek profile. At the bottom, users will find the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, and primary microphone. Notably, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra swaps the positions of the speaker grill and primary microphone compared to its predecessor, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Inspecting the top, only the secondary speaker grill is visible in the renders. While the secondary microphones and IR blaster are absent, Xiaomi can't omit the IR blaster, so it is going to be there when the smartphone launches. The left side remains uncluttered, except for the antenna markings. The black variant of the smartphone boasts a textured finish, with both hues likely featuring leatherette material for a premium touch. A subtle Xiaomi logo graces the left side of the rear panel, adding a touch of brand identity. While the renders focus on the rear design, details regarding the frontal design remain undisclosed. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's sleek design, coupled with refined features and subtle enhancements, sets the stage for an exciting addition to Xiaomi's flagship lineup. So stay tuned by subscribing to our channel for further updates as we approach the official launch event. Also, share your thoughts about the design of the upcoming Xiaomi 14 Ultra in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.